Hi everyone, Deb here. I am here with hashtag 52 weeks of colorspiration. I don't know how much of an inspiration I'll be to you today because I've had a bit of a rough week, but I did start a page, so I'm going to share with you a work in process or progress, however you say it, unfinished page basically. And I will come back probably Monday afternoon. I'm not sure yet. It might be this afternoon or this evening, but I think it'll probably be Monday or possibly even Tuesday to share the finished page with you. So, yeah, I just had I lost my cat. Okay, she crossed the Rainbow Bridge yesterday. I started on this page before she passed, and I just could not, I just didn't have it in me to do any crafting or coloring or anything afterwards. So, I apologize to Brandy and everyone else. Anyway, here's well, I guess I should show you first that it's in this book. In this book, I was trying to do the pages one or two or sometimes three per month based on what they are. So this one was supposed to be January and I never got to it. Now, I used alcohol markers so far and a little bit of glitter pens out of this set from Hobby Lobby. Just on the snowflakes and some of the little round circles on the mushrooms and things that are snow, but I have not gotten to the actual trees, mountain, sky, and the gnomes. So it's a winter scene, and I decided to use a light purple instead of blue for the snow caps and outlines. And yeah, I don't know if I'm loving the mushrooms, but I think they'll look better once I get the other colors on there. So anyway, all Stampin' Up! Alcohol markers. So far, I think I used Ivory, Crumb Cake Light and Dark, Real Red Light here, and Dark on the bows and the berries, Shaded Spruce Light and Dark, and I'm pretty sure the purple is Light Highland Heather everywhere. And I haven't decided which green. I'm probably going to use like an evergreen or some kind of darker green for the trees. We'll see. I'm not sure about that yet. And I obviously don't know what the gnomes are. So I started, but I didn't finish. I do apologize to Left-Handed Crafter, who is the host of this really. She invited me to participate, and I just wanted to get something up so I don't miss the week. And I will do a different page for next week. Today is February 2nd. Happy Groundhog's Day. Happy birthday to my daughter today. I just got back actually from walking 2.5 miles with her, and I thought, ooh, I have to get something up. So yeah. Um, yeah. And it's just unfortunate that Callie had to pass yesterday, which was the first day of Black History Month and National Freedom Day. Anyway, yeah. So I'll be back in a better frame of mind, hopefully next week on Sunday at 11 a.m. Eastern, 10 a.m. Central, and you figure it out for the rest of you folks. Take care and see you again soon. Hugs, love, and peace.